In front of me is OnePlus Open, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Bluetooth. Then use gray switcher right next to it to activate it, and just wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Finally, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!